Let's fix the latency issue after iOS 26. First thing right now would be forced to starting your iPhone. To do that one, make sure you click one of each of the volume button. For example, the lower button, click on it, hold it, and click the power button right there at the same time. Wait for your phone to shut down and do not let go of that hold of those two buttons until you see the Apple logo comes back in. Next up, storage. So go to settings right there. Let me just go back on the landing page of settings. Perfect. Now once you're in here, basically go to storage by clicking on your general options, looking for iPhone storage. In here, free up some storage spaces. The main problem for iOS 26 lagging or latency is going to be storage issues. Next up, going back on the landing page right there. In here, I'm just going to search it up so I don't want to look for it. That will be background app refreshes. This one right here. Make sure this is turned off. Next up, under accessibility, let me just go back on the landing page. So accessibility right there, looking for motion. Make sure this is going to be turned off.